Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next we are going to start exercise 1.3. It is related to addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication of the matrices that we have done in the last lecture. So the first question is question number 1. Which of the following matrices are conformable for addition? Conformable means we have to tell whether they can be added or not. Okay. So the first matrix is matrix A. Question number 1, matrix A. We have to tell them whether we have to tell them which of these matrices can be added and which cannot be. Okay, you just have to tell them which of the matrices can be added. The matrix B is this. Matrix C is 1, 0, 2, -1, 1 and -2. This is matrix C. Matrix D is 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. We can write it as 3, 3. Okay. Matrix E is -1, 0, 1 and 2. While matrix F is 3, 2, 1 plus 1, 3 plus 2, -4 and -2 plus 1. Here F can be written as 3, 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, so write it as 2, -4, 5 and -1. Now we know that two matrices can be added only when they have the same order. So in order to find whether they are conformable for addition or not, we just need to find the order of all these matrices. Then we can easily tell which matrices can be added and which cannot be. Matrix A has two rows. This is the first row. This is the second row. So it has two rows and this is the first column. This is the second column. It has two rows and two columns. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix. Matrix B, it has how many rows? It has one row, two rows and how many columns? Just one column, no other columns. Okay. This is first column and we have only one column. So it's the order of A is 2 by 2, order of B is 2 by 1, order of C is we have first row, second row, third row. It has 3 rows and how many columns? 1, 2, 2 columns. Matrix D, it has 2 rows, 1 row, second row and 1 column. So 2 into 1 matrix. E is, it has 1 row and second row, first row, second row. It has 2 rows and how many columns there are? 1, 2, 2 columns. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. F is 3 by 2 matrix because it has 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 1, 2, 2 columns. So now we know the order of all these matrices. Okay. A is a matrix of order 2 by 2. It cannot be added to B because the order are not same. Now let's see whether A can be added to C or not. C has the order 3 by 2 while A has the order 2 by 2. So A cannot be added to C. It cannot be added to D also because of the difference of order. E has 2 by 2 matrix. E has 2 by 2 order. And A also has 2 by 2 order. Okay. So the matrices which are of the same order are A and E. A and E can be added because they have the same order. Okay. Now A can be added to C. So A and C, they can be added. Now order of B is 2 by 1. Another matrix whose order is 2 by 1 is D. So B can be added to D. We can add B to D. B can be added to D. D was 3, 3, 2 by 1 matrix. Okay. So B can be added to 3. Let me write this F over here. Okay. So we have enough space for discussion. 3, 2, 2, negative 4, 5 and negative 1. It has the order 3 by 2. Now B has the same order as D. So B and D can be added. B and D can be added or are conformable for addition. Okay, they can be added, or in other words, they are conformable for addition. B and D are conformable for addition. Similarly, C, the order of C is 3 by 2. Order of E is 2 by 2. We can't add these two. We can add C to F because they have the same order. So C and F are conformable for addition because they have the same order. Okay, so you just have to see that which two matrices have the same. A and C had the A and E had the same order, so A and E can be added. A and E can be added. B can be added to D because they have the same order, and C and F, C plus F. These are the matrices which we can add. We can add A to E and no any other matrix. A cannot be added to B. ठीक है, A को B में ऐड नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि इनका जो ऑर्डर है वो डिफरेंट है. इसका ऑर्डर 2 by 2 है, इसका ऑर्डर 2 by 1 है. जो सेम ऑर्डर वाले मैट्रिसेस हैं हम सिर्फ उनको ऐड कर सकते हैं. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Question number 2 is related to properties of the matrices. That's why we will do it later after the next lecture. Coming to question number 2 is related to the properties, and coming to question number 3, you have the matrix if A is equal to -1, 2, 2 and 1, B is equal to this matrix C, D. You are given 4 matrices A, B, C, D. Okay, and you have to calculate these A plus 1, 1, 1, 1. And the second part is you have to add this matrix to matrix B. You have to do all these calculations. Now we are given the matrices A, B, C and D, and we are going to perform different operations they have given to us. The first part is A plus 1, 1, 1, 1. You have to add this matrix to matrix A. Now picking the matrix from the question, it is given to us. We write it as the matrix A is -1, 2, 2 and 1, and we need to add it to 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, the method is the same as we have done in the example. You are going to add the first element to the first, second to the second, third to the third and fourth to the fourth. Okay, -1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, okay, and 1, 1 plus 1. Okay, -1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1. -1 and plus 1, 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1, 3 and 1 plus 1 will be 2. So the answer of A plus this matrix is 0, 3, 3 and 2. Now let's do some other parts also. Now let's do the third part of this question. The third part is you have to add C to the matrix -2, 1 and 3. Okay. The C matrix is 1, -1 and 2. Its order is 1 by 3. And the order of this matrix also 1 by 3, so they can easily be added. Okay. So we put the value of C 1, -1, 2, plus -2, 1 and 3. How we add them? The first element of this matrix is 1 and the first element of the next matrix is -2. So we add these two numbers. First element, second element, third. First will be added to first, second will be added to second and third will be added to third. ठीक है, फर्स्ट को फर्स्ट में ऐड करेंगे, सेकंड को सेकंड में एंड थर्ड को थर्ड में. 1 प्लस -2. -2 will be added to 1. These are the first element of both the matrices. Then we are going to add the second elements, -1 and 1. -1 will be added to 1. Then we are going to add the third elements, 2 plus 3. Okay. So here we have 1 plus -2 minus plus 1 will be 0, because same number having different sign. We are going to do, whenever there are different sign, we do subtraction. 1 minus 1 is 0. That's why we put 0, and 0 is a neutral number. We can't put a positive or negative sign with it. Okay, it is a neutral number. It never carries a sign. 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is C plus this matrix. Okay. And the next is 1 minus 2. Here we have different numbers. We have numbers with different signs. Whenever we have two numbers having different signs, we always do subtraction. 2 minus 1 will be 1, and the answer will carry the sign of the greater number. 1, 0 and 5. Okay. So this is the answer, C plus the given matrix. Okay, coming to next part. The next parts are, you try those parts. Some of them are easy. For example, the B, the second part, the fourth part. Now coming to the fifth part, 5th, 6th, 7th, they are 8th and 9th. They are the same, but I will do the negative ones for you. Part 6, we have to multiply -1 with the matrix B. Okay, this is a scalar multiplication. You are multiplying a number with the matrix. Okay, -1 multiplied with matrix B. What is the matrix B? 1 and -1. This is matrix B. Okay, how we multiply a scalar with a matrix? स्केलर को मैट्रिक्स के साथ कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं? कि आप उस स्केलर को उठा के ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हो. ठीक है, तो ये होगा -1 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के साथ भी, और -1 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे सेकेंड एलिमेंट के साथ भी. ओके, सो -1 मल्टीप्लाइड विद 1. अब मल्टीप्लिकेशन रूल्स क्या होते हैं? अगर साइन डिफरेंट हो, इफ़ यू हैव डिफरेंट साइंस, देन द आंसर विल ऑलवेज बी अ नेगेटिव नंबर. 1 into 1 is 1, and put a negative sign because both the numbers are of different sign. इसका प्लस है, इसका माइनस है. Here the signs are same, -1, -1 and -1. Both the numbers are negative, so the answer of their product will always be a positive sign. 1 into 1 plus 1. So whenever we have two numbers which are multiplied, they have the same sign, then the answer is a positive one, and if they have different signs, we get a negative answer. Okay, remember that. Now this was the 6th part. Now in this question we only had to multiply this -1 with B. Okay, the scalar with the matrix. -1 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देना ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स B, तो आपको ये आंसर मिल जाएगा. दिस इज -1 into B. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई another part also. -2 into C. Okay, -2 and C is the matrix 1, -1, 1, -1 and 2. Here this is a scalar and we have to multiply it with a matrix. So matrix multiplied with the scalar. How we do it? We just multiply the scalar with each and every element. This is the first element, the second element, and the third element. Negative 2 into 1. This is the multiplication of this scalar with the first element. Then negative 2 will be multiplied with negative 1, and then negative 2 multiplied with 2. Okay. So what we get here is negative 2 into 1. This will give us, this is a negative number and it's a positive number. Two numbers having different signs always give a negative answer. 2 into 1 is 2, and the answer will be negative because both these numbers had different sign. These numbers have the same sign, both are negative but having the same sign. Therefore the answer will be a positive 2. 2 into 1. Negative 2 into 2. These are the two numbers having different signs. These are two numbers having different signs. Therefore the answer will be a negative number. 2 into 2 is 4, and we are going to put a negative sign because the numbers which were multiplied were having two different signs. This was a positive number and this was a negative number. Okay, so this is negative 2 times C. Now let's go to question number 4, because other parts of this question are easy. You can try and then you can ask me the problems. Okay, question number 4. In question number 4, we have to do is perform the indicated operation and simplify the following. Okay, we are given different expressions and we have to simplify them. If there is addition, we are going to add them. If there is subtraction, we are going to subtract them. Okay, in this let's try the first three. The first part is easy. Second is also, let's take a this fourth part. So the fourth part of the, in the fourth part is you have to add the matrices 1, 2, 3, now here we again have to do the addition. The method is the same. You are going to pick the first element and add it to the first element of the second matrix. Similarly, second will be added to the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. All the matching position elements are going to be added. Okay, so 1 will be added to 1, 1 plus 1. 2 will be added to 1, 2 plus 1. 3 will be added to 1, 3 plus 1. Here negative 1 will be added to 2, negative 1 plus 2, negative 1 plus 2, negative 1 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 1 plus 3 and 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Negative 1 plus 2, we have to add these two numbers having different signs. Whenever two numbers are added having different signs, we always do the subtraction. 2 minus 1 will be 1, and we are going to put the sign of the number which is greater of the two. 2 is greater than 1 and it is carrying a positive sign. Therefore, the answer will carry a positive sign. Negative 1 plus 2, this is again 1. Negative 1 plus 2, same operation. Okay, 0 plus 3 will be 3. 1 plus 3 will be 4 and 2 plus 3 will be 5. So this is how these two matrices are going to be added. So the method is the same, just the order was a bit larger than the previous one. Its dimension was more than we have done in the last part. Okay, this is the fourth part of the question. Got the answer. Now let's try one more part of this and then leave this question. Okay, because it's easy. The last part of this is The sixth part is we have here we have three matrices. You have to add first these brackets indicate that we are going to solve the bracket first and then we are going to add this matrix. Okay, so let me write the question. Question is one, 2, 0, 1 plus plus 2, 1, 1, 0 bracket closed plus 1, 1, 1 and 1. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to add these two numbers first because these are the parentheses or the brackets. We know that first we are going to solve the brackets, then we are going to add the answer which we obtain here. We are going to add it to the third matrix. So the method is simple. You are first to add these two matrices. In order to do that, the method is the same as we have done before. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 0. Okay, we have added these two numbers, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. The answer will be 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Plus, now we can remove the brackets because we have got the answer. Okay, this is the answer we obtained. First we had to solve this bracket. We obtained the answer. Now we have to add these two matrices in the same way as we did before. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. The answer will be 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 1, 2 and 2. This is the answer of the question.